Hi guys, how you doing? This is Q coming to you from diygenesis, and here we are once again with our Magazine Pro theme from StudioPress. And so last video I covered the Contact Us form. I covered how do we actually go in and create it. In this video, we're actually going to dive into the back office of the Contact Us form and see how we control where the information in the Contact Us form is being sent. So let's jump into our back office right now. And where we want to go in our back office now is down to WP Forms, and we're going to hit All Forms. This is going to be where all of our forms will live. In this case, we only have one form. So we're going to go to our Contact Us form. We're going to hit the Edit button, and then it's going to open up. And now we can see the fields that we've already set up for our Contact Us form. But now we're going to talk specifically about where are these fields being sent to once the user fills out these fields and they hit that submit button. Where is it going? Well, let's jump over here into settings and notifications. And when we get to notifications, we'll see it says send to email address. What that is saying is that's the email address that those fields are going to be sent to. That's the email address. Now you see something here that's called a short code that is automatically set by default to go to the admin email address that's associated with the site. So that's what that's set up for as a short code. But we can change that, and we can actually hard code that value to say quest at 3535studios.com. And then if we want to put another one in there, we can do support at 3535studios.com. So we can see that we can put multiple email addresses in these fields. Now this is also the from field. We can put information in there as well. Now you can look at these smart tags and they can give you some kind of, again, short codes to help you with that information. And if you really want to know what this is, you can mouse over to help. It says enter the email address to receive form entry notifications. For multiple notifications, separate email addresses with a comma, which we did that. So these are all little helpful tools and tips for you to understand how to set this up. So hey, right now we're ready to go, but there's one last thing we need to do, and that is to make sure we hit that save button. So now it's saved. Great. Okay, now one other thing I wanted to talk about before we're done is we want to go and talk about confirmation. The confirmation is what the customer is going to receive back once they fill out your form and they hit the submit button. They're going to receive back in their email address this message that says, thanks for contacting us. We'll be in touch with you shortly. They're going to receive that messaging. Well, you can go in and you can change this messaging to say whatever you want. And you can add links in here if you want to. You can do a whole host of other things. But in this tutorial, I just wanted to talk to you about how you would simply set this up, where your actual email addresses are that you want to capture your fields. Now see what it says here, message all fields. That's telling you that all of the fields of that particular form, those are what's going to come across in your email. So again, guys, I hope you got great value out of this video. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope it made it easy for you to set up your site or to set up a client site. So this has been truly a pleasure and an honor to bring you another tutorial. Again, guys, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please make sure that you hit the like button, and please make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time that we crank out new videos. Again, until next time, guys, this is Q coming to you from diygenesis.